Kody Rice and Bronoson, I would like to thank you entirely for responding to my Chainsaw's Gravest challenge. You see, previous to Christian Rose winning that briefcase, getting his #1 contendership, I was quite excited to come up with fun new ways to make people wage war for this. You two accepted the challenge, and for that I thank you. I look forward to watching your death match on Friday night, 18 and up, at Vegas in the Ballroom. And on Saturday night, it's going to be me and whoever survives. And that I'm very excited for also. We'll see you there, I hope. My Chainsaw Nation. Embrace